Hello friends, welcome to the Sustain Agro channel, where we share indigenous and scientific solutions to every poultry farming problem. Friends, today we're going to talk about a leaf that can work wonders not only in your kitchen, but also in a poultry farm. Yes, coriander leaves. This small green leaf improves the digestion of broiler chicks, reduces gas problems, and improves feed conversion. So let's learn how to use coriander leaves correctly and increase your farm's production. Coriandrum sativum, or Coriandrum sativum, is a natural antioxidant, antibacterial, and digestive stimulant. Compounds present in it, such as linalool and borneol, activate the digestive system of chickens. It prevents gas formation, maintains bacterial balance in the intestines, and helps eliminate toxins from the body. Its benefits in poultry. Now let's discuss its effect on broiler chickens. If you use this leaf in the right quantities on your farm, it will improve digestion, eliminate gas and bloating, increase appetite and feed intake, and most importantly, improve weight gain. According to scientific research, chickens fed coriander leaf powder have improved FCR, feed conversion ratio, and reduced mortality. How to use 3 easy methods. Take 1 kilo of fresh coriander leaves. Wash them thoroughly and blend them with 2 to 3 liters of water. Then strain them and add the juice to drinking water. Keep the ratio 1 part juice plus 9 parts water, 10% dilution. Give this 2 to 3 days a week. Benefit: improves digestion and keeps the chicken's stomach clean. Method number 2. Dry coriander leaf powder. Dry the leaves in the shade or in a dryer at 45 degrees C. Grind them to a fine powder. Mix 0.5% to 1% in the feed. That means 500 grams of powder in 100 kilos of feed. This formula works best from 15 days to the finishing age. This helps chickens eat more and gain weight faster. Boil 200 grams of dried or 1 kilogram of fresh leaves in 5 liters of water for 15 minutes. Cool and strain. Mix 1 part decoction plus 9 parts water and feed, 5 to 10% dilution. This method is beneficial when chickens have severe digestive or gas problems. When and in what quantity to give? Starter stage, 1 to 14 days. Give very light quantity or keep it limited because digestion is delicate at that time. Grower stage, 15 to 30 days. Give 0.5% powder or decoction 3 days a week. Finisher stage, 30-40 days. 0.5% quantity is sufficient. Keep a gap of 3 days after every 10 days so that the birds do not get bored with the continuous taste. Giving too much can sometimes cause loose stools, so moderation is important. If you are on an antibiotic course, consult your vet before using the herb mix. Use only clean and chemical-free leaves in each batch. And don't keep the slurry or decoction for more than 24 hours. Otherwise, fungus may develop in it. Keep records: how much you gave on which day, how many chickens there were, how much weight they gained. This will help you calculate your profit ratio. If you use it consistently and in the right quantity, you will see the chickens' stomachs will always remain clean, feed consumption will increase, and the speed of weight gain will accelerate. Many farmers have reported that giving coriander leaf powder resulted in an average extra weight gain of 50-80 grams in 40 days. So, friends, this was the complete information about the use of coriander leaves in broiler poultry. If you enjoyed the video, please like it, share it with your fellow poultry farmers, and subscribe to the channel Sustain Agro for more useful information like this. Tell us in the comments what natural ingredients you use on your farm. We'll make our next video about that.